So guys, welcome back to Learn English Sentences. This video is ideal for improving your English conversation skills, and for the best results, listen and practice as often as you can. Okay? So please share, like and subscribe my channel. So let's get going. तुम सही थे, वो भरोसे लायक नहीं है. You were right, she is not trustworthy. You were right, she is not trustworthy. फिर तुमने मेरी मदद क्यों की? Then why did you help me? Then why did you help me? मैंने देखा था तुमने उसके साथ क्या क्या किया था. I saw what you did to him. I saw what you did to him. मुझसे उस तरह से बात करने की हिम्मत मत करना. Don't you dare speak to me like that. Don't you dare speak to me like that. अच्छा होगा अगर तुम इससे बाहर ही रहो. It had be better if you just stay out of it. It had be better if you just stay out of it. तुम खतरे के बारे में जानते थे. You were aware of the danger. You were aware of the danger. तुम तो मुझे जानती भी नहीं. You don't even know me. You don't even know me. मैं तुम दोनों से नफरत करता हूँ. I hate you too. I hate you too. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, हम हमेशा तुम्हारा ही साथ देंगे. No matter what happens, we were always on your side. No matter what happens, we were always on your side. तुम सोच भी कैसे सकते थे मैं नहीं आऊँगी? How could you even think I wouldn't come? How could you even think I wouldn't come? मुझे नहीं लगा था कि तुम मुझे पहचान जाओगे. I didn't think you had recognized me. I didn't think you had recognized me. मुझे तो याद भी नहीं है हम आखिरी बार कब मिले थे. I don't even remember the last time we met. I don't even remember the last time we met. तुम्हें फिर से देखकर अच्छा लगा. It's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. क्योंकि हमें लगा था कि तुम आओगी नहीं. Because we thought you wouldn't come. Because we thought you wouldn't come. तुम्हें इस तरह की आदत छोड़ देनी चाहिए. You must get rid of such a habit. You must get rid of such a habit. उनके लिए इस बारे में जानना बहुत ख़तरनाक है. It's too dangerous for them to know about it. It's too dangerous for them to know about it. क्या तुम्हें याद है ये कब हुआ था? Do you remember when it took place? Do you remember when it took place? इससे पहले कि मुझे गुस्सा आए, आप इस बात को यहीं ख़त्म करो. End this conversation before I get furious. End this conversation before I get furious. हम जितना खुश अब हैं इतना कभी नहीं रहे. We have never been so happy as we are now. We have never been so happy as we are now. आप एक और कप चाय पीना चाहेंगे क्या? Would you like another cup of tea? Would you like another cup of tea? तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है इसके पीछे कौन है? So who do you think is behind it? So who do you think is behind it? अपने परिवार के साथ कुछ समय गुजारो. Spend some time with your family. Spend some time with your family. तुम ये सब जानते थे और तुमने मुझे बताने के बारे में सोचा भी नहीं. You knew all this and you didn't even think of telling me. You knew all this and you didn't even think of telling me. अच्छा होगा अगर तुम इससे बाहर ही रहो. It had be better if you just stay out of it. It had be better if you just stay out of it. समय पर आने की आदत डालो. Develop the habit of coming on time. Develop the habit of coming on time. बस समय पर आना. Just be there on time. Just be there on time. जो तुमने वहाँ किया वो बिल्कुल गलत था. What you did up there was completely wrong. What you did up there was completely wrong. मैं यहाँ आने को मजबूर था. I was compelled to come here. I was compelled to come here. और मुझसे क्या चाहते हो तुम? What else do you want from me? What else do you want from me? मेरे पास जितने भी पैसे थे मैंने उसे सब दे दिए. I gave her all the money I had. I gave her all the money I had. मैं यहाँ कैसे पहुँचूँ? How did I get here? How did I get here? मैं तुम दोनों से नफरत करता हूँ. I hate you too. I hate you too. मैं यहाँ कब से हूँ? How long have I been here? How long have I been here? लेकिन मैं उस तरह से नहीं रहना चाहता था. But I just didn't want to live that way. But I just didn't want to live that way. फिर तुमने मेरी मदद क्यों की? Then why did you help me? Then why did you help me? बहुत लंबा समय हो गया है. It's been a very long time. It's been a very long time. हम सब भी वहाँ जाने को बहुत उत्सुक हैं. We are all too eager to go there. We are all too eager to go there. मुझे रात भर जागने की आदत हो गई है. I have got used to staying awake all night. I have got used to staying awake all night. मैं बस तुमसे इतना ही चाहता हूँ. That's all I want from you. That's all I want from you. उम्मीद करता हूँ तुम सब आओगे. I hope you will. I hope you all will come. I hope you all will come. ये कोई बात करने का तरीका नहीं है. This is not the proper way to talk. This is not the proper way to talk. इस बार कोई बहाना नहीं. No excuses this time, okay? No excuses this time, okay? हाँ मेरा उससे चक्कर चल रहा है. Yes, I had an affair with him. Yes, I had an affair with him. क्या यही सब जानना चाहती थी तुम? Is that all you wanted to know? Is that all you wanted to know? क्या कुछ है कहने को तुम्हारे पास? Have you got something to say? Have you got something to say? मैं तुम्हें वैसा फिर से कभी नहीं करने दूंगा. I will never let you do that again. I will never let you do that again. देखो वे कैसे मजे कर रहे हैं. Look how they are having fun. Look how they are having fun. मैं थक गई हूँ और नहीं चल सकती. I'm tired. I can't go on. I am tired. I can't go on. तो तुम कह रहे हो जो तुमने किया वो सही था. So you are saying what you did was okay. So you are saying what you did was okay. काश मैं तुमसे पहले मिली होती. I wish I had met you earlier. I wish I had met you earlier. तुम उसके बारे में गलत हो. You are wrong about him. You are wrong about him. हम 7 घंटे से चल रहे हैं. We have been walking for 7 hours. We have been walking for 7 hours. मैं तो बस तुम्हारी आवाज़ सुनना चाहती थी. I just wanted to hear your voice. I just wanted to hear your voice. मुझे तुमसे बात करना सच में पसंद है. I really like talking to you. I really like talking to you. हमें और कितना आगे जाना होगा? How much further do we have to go? How much further do we have to go? और कितनी देर तक चलते रहना होगा? How long do we have to keep moving? How long do we have to keep moving? क्या तुम्हें लगता है हम तुमसे डरते हैं? Do you think we are scared of you? Do you think we are scared of you? तुम्हें एक बार पहले हमसे झूठ बोला था. You lied to us once before. You lied to us once before. उसकी आवाज़ से तो ऐसा लगा मानो जैसे वो परेशान था. He sounded as if he was worried. He sounded as if he was worried. तुम अभी मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते. You know nothing about me yet. You know nothing about me yet. क्या तुम्हें अकेले जाने में डर नहीं लगता? Are you not scared of going alone? Are you not scared of going alone? उन्होंने मेरी तरफ ऐसे देखा मानो जैसे मैं पागल हूँ. They looked at me as if I was mad. They looked at me as if I was mad.